Good evening, kids. We have seen before this how to prepare presentation. Means in presentation, how to insert slide, how to give effect to the slides, how to change the font color, font size of the text, how to insert picture, how to insert shapes, how to insert word art. All these things we have. How to insert table. We have seen all these things before this. Today we will see how to give custom animation effect and slide transition effects to the slide and the text. Custom animation effect is used to give effect to the text as well as to the images. Okay. Once again I will repeat it. Custom animation effect is used to give effect to the text and the images, and slide transition effect is given to the slides to get the difference between two slide. दो स्लाइड में का डिफरेंस हमें पता चलने के लिए हम लोग स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट यूज करते हैं या फिर देते हैं. स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन इज यूज्ड to find out the difference between two slides. Okay, now let us see how to use custom animation effect. This is a small ppt, that is my family. Now listen, I want to give effect to the text. First upon I have to select the text like this. You can select the text, otherwise the dotted line is coming over there. Click on that dotted line, the text will be selected. Then go to animation tab and click on custom animation. Then you will get such type of dialog box. Here add effect, click on that add effect. Entrance, emphasis, exit, motion path, 4 types of effects are there. First upon we will see entrance. Then entrance, many effects are there, whichever you want. See now this wheel how it look like this. Okay, if you like this effect, then click on that. If you don't want, then click on that effect and here remove button is there, you can remove that effect. Then again click on add effect and whichever another effect you want you can give. Click on more effect, then you will get more effects. Now see, split is like this, strip it is like this, random effect it is like this. Whichever you want you take it and click on OK button. Then again second text I will select and again add effect, entrance, see more effects, wipe it is like this, it is like this, ascend, descend. See whichever you like, you spinner, see it is like this. Okay, we will take this and click on OK. Then again the second slide, when you click on the picture, that time only the option will be activated. So first upon click on that picture, then only you will get this effect. Click on add effect, click on add effect, whichever you want you can take it. Then again third slide, select that text, again add effect, random bar. Okay, like this you can give effect to your text and also to the images. Now we will give effect to the slide. How to give effect to the slide? First upon click on the first slide. See here in animation only many slide effects are there, slide transition effects are there. Click on drop down arrow here, you will get more. Suppose I want to give this one, then click on second I want to give this one. Now see here speed is very fast, I want to make it medium. Okay, then third slide I will take this one and here medium speed already it is there. Okay, even you can give different types of sound effect to all slides. Now this is my first slide. See here only in animation tab, here transition sound, you can choose any sound. It is like this. Now I will choose this one. This is for first slide. Now second slide, again I will go to the effect, sound effect. I will take drum roll. Now third slide, again slide, sound, explosion sound. Okay, I will choose this one. Now when I start my PPT showing on the big screen, that time these effects will be displayed. Now see how to play this PPT. You can press F5 key from your keyboard. Otherwise, click on slideshow option, slideshow menu, and here from the beginning. See, whatever effects we have given to the text and the slide, according to that only our slide will run. Okay, like this you have to prepare a PPT on any subject. You can take math subject, Hindi subject, English, or computer also you can take. Take first slide as a computer, my best friend. Then second slide, generation of computers. Third slide, uses of computers. Fourth slide, parts of computers. Like this you can prepare slides. You can insert picture, you can insert shapes, tables, and you can decorate the PPT, and you can give custom animation effect and slide transition effect to your slides. Okay, today you have to practice all these things. Even you can prepare PPT on English subject also. You can take parts of speech, figure of speech, tense, types of tenses. Otherwise in maths different types of formulas are there. That formulas also you can take. Even in science, in English, in Hindi, Marathi, you can take any subject and you can prepare your own PPT. Okay, practice all these things. Then again next Friday we will see the different options. Okay, thank you.